Here are the 3 practice problems to try. So we're going to go through the answers right now. So first thing we're going to do, place our tracing paper on the page. I'm going to save myself a little bit of time because I have a big enough piece to draw all on it at the same time. So I'm going to do that. So remember, use your straight edge, carefully drawing on, because the more accurate you are now, the easier it will be to see where they should line up when we do our rotations. So now that you've done them, we're actually not doing anything different when we're using the origin, only just have to draw our points on first. So our first center is 1, 0. Next one is 1, 1. Oops. 1, 1. And this is why we use pencil. And finally, 1, 2. So 1, 2. Right here. So let's place our tracing paper back on the page. Mark our centers, just in case we lose where we are. And now we're going to use our rules. So this one says we're going to rotate 180 degrees. So I'm going to give that little arrow at the top, just in case. So 180, so I'm going to rotate once, twice, and we see our shape. So we can quickly remove the tracing paper, noting our 4 points we had, and then using our straight edge to connect. Perfect. So, next one, we are going 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So remember, anti-clockwise is the opposite way a clock turns. So if a clock turns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, around that way, then we're going the opposite way. So I always advise that people just draw themselves out a little diagram like I just did at the top. So we're going 90 degrees anti-clockwise, which will result in our arrow on our left side pointing over here. So we know we're done. We can look at our triangle that we have to draw, remove the page, mark the 3 points that we need. Right. Now taking our straight edge and finally connecting our dots to form our rotated shape. So one more to go and then we'll be done. So here, putting our tracing paper back on, noting that we are going 90 degrees clockwise. So clockwise, we're going that way, correct? So 90 degrees clockwise, make sure we line up our shape properly, and then we're going 90, so our arrow is pointing to our right. Now at this point, we're going to just remove our tracing paper, draw 2 of our points, and then I'm kind of unsure if I was correct right there, so, oh, yeah, right. Our other one, well, it lands on it because it is invariant. Remember that an invariant point is one which does not change. And instead of does not change, I'll say does not change / move position, or / move, / translate, or move. Okay, so we have to finish this up still by connecting our dots and finally forming our rotated shape as such.